Today we're going to talk about Pompeii. If you know anything about Pompeii, then you know about the volcanic eruption that destroyed the civilization. Before you freak out too much, let me ask you this. What types of weather are you used to? What types of weather have you been exposed to? I'll give you 5 seconds to think about it. Thought about it? Okay, good. You probably thought of things such as thunderstorms and snowstorms, maybe even hurricanes, tornadoes, or earthquakes. Now I ask, do you leave your town every time severe weather hits? Every time it starts to snow, or every time you see a bolt of lightning, do you and your family run away from your town? Probably not. The people of Pompeii felt the same way. But before we get into that, let's talk about the history of Pompeii. Pompeii was a town city in the southern region of Italy known as Campania. Though Pompeii was founded by the OC people in 6th century BC, the town was a Roman colony from 80 BC until its destruction in 79 AD. At the time of its destruction, Pompeii was a vast city that operated with a grid system of streets as well as a complex water system. However, Pompeii is not known for these systems. Instead, Pompeii is popular because of this natural landmark. Pompeii was located at the base of a volcano named Mount Vesuvius. Now you may be wondering, if the people of Pompeii knew Mount Vesuvius was a volcano, why would they live there? Remember earlier when I asked if you leave your town every time it snows or you see lightning and you said no? And I said it was the same for the people of Pompeii? Well, the people of Pompeii had inhabited the land for so long that they were used to the frequent yet less violent earthquakes. They felt no need to leave. Though Vesuvius had a history of erupting, the people of Pompeii did not anticipate the destruction of their society. Nonetheless, on August 24th, 79 AD, Mount Vesuvius erupted. This eruption caused heat surges of 482 degrees Fahrenheit that could be felt at a 6-mile radius. Exposure to such an extreme heat killed most of Pompeii's inhabitants instantly. However, Pompeii was not the only city to be destroyed. The Mount Vesuvius eruption greatly affected 3 other nearby towns. If this is true, then why is Pompeii more well known than the other 3 cities? Of the cities destroyed, Pompeii was the largest and most well preserved. The Vesuvius eruption buried Pompeii under 13 to 20 feet of volcanic ash. Archaeologists injected plaster into open spaces and recreated the forms of Vesuvius victims. By 2003, over 1,000 casts had been made. The volcanic ash also wonderfully preserved Pompeii's architecture, including a vast amphitheater and various temples of worship. Pompeii's preservation set it aside from the other cities destroyed. Now that you have learned about Pompeii, it's time for a little quiz. What country is Pompeii located in? C. Italy. Pompeii is at the base of which volcano? D. Mount Vesuvius. In what year did Mount Vesuvius erupt? C. 79 AD. How many other cities did the eruption destroy? B. 3. Why is Pompeii more well known than the other cities? It is better preserved than the others. Finally, why didn't the people leave Pompeii after the earthquake? B. They didn't think they were in danger. Thanks for watching this mini lesson on Pompeii. Next time you ignore a tornado warning, I hope you think about the people of Pompeii and consider leaving. See you next time.